18th August, the same gospel, Galatians chapter 2 verses 6 to 10. James, Peter and John, those reputed to be pillars, gave me and Barnabas the right hand of fellowship when they recognized the grace given to me. They agreed that we should go to the Gentiles and they to the Jews. Galatians chapter 2 verse 9. The Jerusalem conference began with a great possibility for division and dissension, yet it ended with cooperation and agreement. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. Psalms chapter 133 verse 1. Perhaps we need to practice some of the same cooperation today. We need to recognize the fact that God calls people to different ministries in different places, yet we all preach the same gospel and are seeking to work together to build His church. Among those who know and love Christ, there can be no such thing as competition. Peter was a great man and perhaps the leading apostle, yet he gladly yielded to Paul, a newcomer, and permitted him to carry on his ministry as the Lord led him. Previously, Paul explained his independence from the apostles, Galatians chapter 1. Now in Galatians chapter 2, he points out his interdependence with the apostles. He was free, and yet he was willingly in fellowship with them in the ministry of the gospel. Something to ponder. In what ways are you interdependent with other believers? How does this affect your approach to sharing the gospel? Amen.